category is utilizing traditional Samoan Ere prints on swimming attire as part of promoting resiliency of the Samoan culture. So they can either hit the Ere on the lava lava,
That's right.
sarong, or a two-piece, or one-piece, or no piece. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe she is ready. Our first contestant for tonight. Please make her welcome. Contestant number 1. Who's proudly sponsored by BMF of Samoa, family and friends. Please welcome onto the stage contestant number 2, proudly sponsored by Letitia's family.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is none other than Miss Samoa.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jezebel says, I try not to wear black, but I end up doing so more often. Not often, because there is a Samoan proverb that reads, but there is also an American proverb that reads, the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. I love black because it affirms, designs, and styles wearing black swimsuits are a lifestyle. Black is the queen of all colors. Ladies and gentlemen, Jezebel, work the runway, girl.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 2, Annabelle. Well, Jezebel.
They painted me out to be the bad guy. Well, that's the last time you wanna see a bad guy do the rap game like me. I went coffee chopsticks, put it in my bun just to pop. I'm always in the top. Box seats, bitch, what the dice say? I'm in the finesse. And I'm about to turn around and beat my chest. Just keep calm, yes, just keep calm. Just keep calm, this is King Kong. Chinese King Kong, Siamese King Kong. Call me to King Kong. In my kingdom.
than to explore the beautiful sandy beaches of Samoa. But wait a minute. You can't just rock up like that with your everyday fine arrow style. Oh no. You got to do it with style. Inspired by the recent success of Alto Samoa, contestant number 3, swimwear, shows her patriotism and pride for our country. Tonight, her swimwear is her way of thanking Alto Samoa boys and her previously divorced ex-husband, Coach Matt Parrish. She also sent her love for Mr. Sudi Meta, also known as the Trolley Boy. Love you, Meta! Introducing contestant number 3, Miss Raina Finance and Rachel Whiteley, Francine Michael Hunt.
Being different than the comfort of fitting in. Tonight, contestant number 4 breaks all the fashion rules in her one-of-a-kind black and Siapo material swimwear. She chose the color black to showcase her stance in solidarity alongside victims of domestic violence and to raise awareness for domestic violence against women, youth, and trans women. She chose the Siapo fabric to showcase her pride and joy in her Samoan culture. What better way to stand out than by stepping outside of the box? This swimwear was designed and put together by Tulumai Michelle Williams and Farmisi and sewn exclusively by Lady Shauna Lane. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Tanuma Fili-Okusene.
Everybody make some noise. Contestant number 4 is her number for tonight. Thank you very much, contestant.
Money Valley Campaigns, an initiative that is very close to Tyra's heart. Because she's swimming, she's going for comfy and practical. It has to be. Kay malemo ang si Jade. Naisisya ko mayan. But the X factors are the little additions you see. The diamond cuts in the back allows a bit of skin to be revealed, or rather overly revealed. The Black LA Prince is her dedication for the Money Folly campaign and the 16 days of activism. Tyler, her sponsor, and all of Safa stand in solidarity to fight against all forms of domestic violence against women, girls, and youth. Good luck. You see, all that is further elevated by her incredible presentation tonight. Again, this is a creation of the House of Queens.
Everybody makes some noise. Contestant number 5 of the
Kaku, Kaku. Who said a tour can rock the stage in the swimwear? Princess Arrow, the tour, is here to show you how a big tour with her little tucked away and inside small tour. Following her victorious singing every morning, she takes away everything, including her little tour, up, down, and inside, from front to the back, puts her little tour to sleep. Then she goes to the beach to relax and swim in a beautifully designed and airless swimwear. The explicit display of Miss Sam's flawless skin without pantyhose, without foundation, without the cover girl. Emphasize that we should all embrace our skin, our curves, our tamu, our natural foolishness. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, the color and design, the shiny blue diamond crystal on Princess Arrow's swimwear amplifies her voice against the stigma, the negative perception targeting Fafafina, Fatama, women, and girls. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Sam's swimwear